Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. Are you ready? Let's begin. My name is Alex Reed. Nice to meet you. I am from the United States, and I live in New York City. It's a big, busy, and beautiful city. I am a teacher. I teach English online, and I love helping students learn.
Every day, I talk to people from many countries. It's amazing to learn about their cultures and lives.
I am 25 years old. I have a small family, my parents, my brother, and my sister. We are very close.
On weekends, I often call my family and talk for a long time. In my free time, I like listening to music and watching movies. It helps me relax and think clearly. Sometimes I meet my friends for coffee. We talk about work, life, and funny stories. I like to say, laughter is the best medicine. That means when you laugh, you feel better. And I also love learning new languages. Right now, I'm learning Spanish. It's not easy, but it's really fun. When I learn another language, I feel like I open a new door to the world. Every day, I try to learn something small. One new word, one new sentence. Small steps help me grow faster. Now, it's your turn. Can you introduce yourself? Say your name, where you are from.
I am an English teacher, and I like to read in my free time. Now, speak slowly, repeat after me, and smile while you speak.
Remember, learning takes time, so don't rush. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep going, keep learning, and see you in the next video.